Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Momita Deb and you are watching Doodle Moments. In this video, I have shared few beginner friendly stationery items which you can get from the Amazon Great Indian Sale. So without further delay, let's begin today's video. The first product which I am going to recommend is this Camlin brush pen set. So this product is available on Amazon and I have also purchased it from there itself. You can check any local store as well, but I think in local store the price would be fixed. But the price would be much more cheaper on Amazon, so you can definitely check this out too. I would definitely recommend this product to all the beginners. If you wish to learn calligraphy, then please go for it. This brush pens are really amazing. I am also learning calligraphy using this pens only, so it's a great product for everyone. The best thing about this pen set is all the colors and also the tip. The tip is amazing and perfect for all the beginners. It is not that much sharp, not that much harsh, it's just perfect and you can see all the colors. It's pretty amazing, and also I do use all these pens in some other purposes as well, like not only for calligraphy. Sometimes I use it for some coloring and some sort of other works as well, so you can definitely check this out. It's a great product to have as a beginner and I think the price is also pretty affordable. Here I have shared some swatches as well, though I didn't swatch all the colors, but yeah, just for the demonstration. So you can see it's pretty pigmented and the brush is so comfortable to use and it's a great product. I would recommend you that if you are planning to purchase only one stationery item on this Amazon sale, then do check this product. This is the best product for each and everyone. I think many of you already have it, but if you don't have this product, then go for it and pick this up. The next product is Camel watercolor cakes. So here you can get 24 different shades inside this box. The print price is 110 rupees I guess, but you can get it in 80 or 85 rupees, which is a great deal. You can get 24 different kinds of pretty shades, which is a perfect win for all the beginners. So do check this out. Again, it's an amazing product. The outer container box is also pretty good. It's transparent so that you can see all the colors from the outside, and also you will get a small brush as well, but I haven't used it. I just used my regular brushes. So you can purchase brushes separately, or else you can just start your painting with this brush as well. This is a sample painting which I have recently created using this watercolor set. As you can see, the colors are pretty pigmented. Also, you can do the blending pretty well using these colors, so do check this out. It's a great product. The next item is this jelly roll pens from the brand Sakura. So these pens are again another amazing ones from Amazon Great Indian Sale. Though I haven't purchased it from Amazon, but it is available over there, so do check this out. If you are into mandala arts and you love to use black sheets to create your paintings, then do check this product out. Also, the whole color set is available on Amazon. So in spite of buying only the white one, you can purchase the whole set as well. I will add all the links of these products over the description box so that you can click and go to that product page directly. The next product of today's video is all these cute little washi tapes. So if you are a painter and you want to create a very neat and clean painting, then you must be aware about washi tapes. So we do use it to create some outlines, some borders, so that we can get a neat and clean painting. So I have different kinds of washi tapes. As you can see, these tapes are pretty cute, but the disadvantage is that the quantity is very less and the price is also too high. So if you are a beginner, then I would not recommend you to purchase this particular washi tapes. Though if you like to create some creative journal, something like that, then you can definitely check this washi tapes, and there are different kinds of shades and designs available on Amazon. So I'm not adding any particular link. You can search and choose as per your preference. But if you are a beginner and want to invest only in one washi tape, then please go for this washi tapes. These are very basic and pretty amazing for all the painters. If I am not wrong, then I had purchased it on 50 rupees. These are pretty cheap and also long lasting. Next one is the most favorite stationery product, and it is the Faber-Castell pen set. So if you are into mandala arts, then please go for it and just purchase this product. It will save your life. The tips are amazing and it's smooth, it's pigmented, and it's everything. Like, so far this is the best pen set which I have, and I just cannot imagine any of my art without this pen set, because I always use it. I use it for calligraphy, I use it for normal writing purpose. It's a great product, so go for it. Just pick this up. And also this is available on online store, offline store, each and every place you will get it. So it's a pretty affordable and also accessible product. The price of this product, actually I cannot tell you, because I had received this one on my birthday. One of my sister gifted me this amazing pen set, so I'm not sure about the price, but I will add the link of Amazon over the description box so that you can get it from there. Please go for it. Don't think too much, just buy this product. Last product of today's video is all these post-it flags and sticky notes. So if you are a reader, then I think you should have these post-it flags and also the sticky notes. When we read some non-fiction books or any kind of motivational books, sometimes we need to mark few lines so that we can just come back again to that book and read that particular phrase or maybe few lines. So for that purpose, I generally use these post-it flags and sticky notes. So if you are also into reading, and specifically we call this process as annotation, so if you are into annotation, then go for it, purchase the sticky notes. This is how I use it for annotation purpose. I was just reading this book, The Subtle Art, and I haven't finished it yet, but I marked few pages. So as you can see, I have marked few important lines and also some phrases which I really want to reread again and again. You can purchase this post-it flags and sticky notes from Amazon, and also you will get some discounts as well, so definitely check this out. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is not a sponsored video by anybody or any brand. I just have shared my own personal experience. I am using all these products, and that is why I just shared it I think it would be helpful for you, so you can definitely check this out. Also, before closing today's video, if you are new over here, then please consider subscribing and also click on the bell button to get notifications of all the new videos. Take care, keep creating memories, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye.